Today is so hot.
Yes.
If I can eat some ice cream, that is so good.
Yes. You are right.
But there is no ice cream car.
Yeah.
But it's okay, we can build one.
Yes. Great idea.
Yo,
we are LJ.
Today we are building this ice cream car set. Okay, so you can see a table.
And then
A people want some ice cream.
Yes.
And then, oh, this is so cute. This is the ice cream people.
people.
Say hi.
Hi.
So this is the story.
Story.
So this is a woman selling some ice cream. So the ice cream man can welcome some customers so they can eat at here. So this is a dining place.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are so excited to open this. So now let's open it.
Whoa.
So we have instruction and we have a Lego pieces. So now let's open it. Lego. So now we have to see the instruction.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will build the mini doll first.
Yes.
So now let's build Emma. I think it's this. So it is a black straight curly hair. Looks like a Aurora hair and a Stephanie hair. We have a pink skirt.
Pink skirt. And this like Aurora dress at the top.
Yes, it's so creative.
Yes. And this is Aurora's face.
Yes.
Like this. And
this is the Stephanie hair pieces. So
Yes.
now we can put it on top of her head.
yes.
Okay, so with this set we have 2 mini dolls. And then we have some accessory. So this girl, so Emma can have sunglasses. So Aurora, maybe her name's called, have a flower.
Flower.
So pretty.
Yes.
Oh, we still have a dog.
Doggy.
Woof, 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 woof. So now we started to build the ice cream man.
Yes, ice cream man. Yes.
And we have the bow tie
Yeah, both.
here.
Where's
Can you see?
Here.
So now we stuck it on here. And then we have a cone
Cone.
as the bottom. Okay, we haven't finished. We still need some pieces. So now we have the white pieces to put it on top. And then have a pink one. Looks like a bow.
This one.
Yeah. And then the bottom we have the white I think Lego pieces.
I think this.
Yeah. So he can stand on that.
Stand.
Now the first pieces we need a blue circle.
Blue circle.
And then we have to find a the black.
And
Put it on
black color.
in here.
In here.
And then I think this is an umbrella.
Umbrella.
So it can stand. So first we have this pieces and then put it on here.
Yes.
And then we can put the table on here. And then we have to find the cookie
Cookie.
and then put it on the table.
Here.
Yeah. And then we have to build the chair.
Chair.
So now first we have 2 white circle. We have to build 2 this chair. So we have to build the other one. So I find the gray pieces. So you can help me to find the white pieces.
I find right here.
Okay, so now we can build the ice cream car.
Yay!
And then we have to find 2 Lego pieces. So one put it here, the other one put it this side. Okay, so next step we have to find looks like this, but here we have a hole. So now let's find some Lego pieces. Now we find it and then stuck here and then put it the other side. Next we have to put a purple
Maybe here. Yes, here. And the purple piece.
and then now we have to find the other white.
Here.
So it's purple, white, purple, white. Here.
And put it right here.
Yes.
And
And then so this can click with this motorcycle, I think. So let's build it.
we have to and here.
Okay, so we have 4 this gray stick. Okay, so next we should find looks like an ice cream.
Ice cream.
And then we should turn over
Over.
and then put some wheels.
Wheel. One wheel done.
And the other
Two
wheels are done
wheels
too. Okay, so now we put here.
Like this.
Yes. Okay, so we have the ice cream cone to put here. So let's find 2 ice cream cone.
Okay. Put 1 and 2.
And then we find it this. And then we have this machine. I think can pay some money.
Pay money, of course, need.
Okay, next we can do it on top. I think we can do it a flag. So now let's do it here first.
2 pieces.
And then we have a long white Lego pieces.
Long.
Up here.
1 here.
Now we put the white first.
Yes, white, and then purple, and then 1 more white. Oh, okay.
So now we can put it on top of here.
Top. Like this.
Careful. So I
Like
will
this?
hold it.
Okay. ice cream flavor.
So first we have this, looks like a plate, and then some ice cream flavor, put it on top of here.
One, and one. Okay.
So now we can put it here.
Looks yummy. The ice cream man
Can help
the ice cream.
can help you to take the ice cream and then give it to the customer. It's a good design.
Yes.
Okay, so now we just left a little bit pieces. So now we build this ice cream flag
Ice
and then
cream
just put it here. Okay, so have a
Okay.
flag. And then let's build the molten cycle.
Yes, modern cycle.
Okay,
So we can give people to eat in the house.
yeah, so we can do the delivery also.
Yes.
So now let's build this molten cycle.
Modern cycle. We need wheels.
Okay, first we can build the wheels.
Wheels.
Put it the bottom so it can move.
Yes. Like this.
And then put the other wheels.
The another wheel.
Second, we have two. These pieces to put it here between of the wheels. I think that it can stand. If we don't move, then it can stand. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, so now we build the lights. A yellow pieces
A yellow
to put it here.
to put it here.
Yep.
Okay.
So when it is night, so have these lights, they can still can see their way
Yeah.
where to go.
And they need to dry.
Yep. So we put this on here,
Like this.
and then this. I think this pieces is to click, so we have to put this. So now you can.
And then
This.
how about and then what?
And then we can put it here. So they can click it together.
Whoa, cool. Okay.
So also when it is moved, the puppy can sit here. Okay, so now let's build
Why not
the head protection.
Why not her?
Now we build a head protection.
And protection.
So it is safe when you are driving this motorcycle.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can, open it.
And close it.
Oop. So we can put it here. Okay,
Yes.
so this is the all set.
Yes.
We got a motorcycle.
Yep. And the ice cream truck. I think.
And then we have a dining area.
Yes.
The ice cream man. And Emma and Aurora.
Yes.
Yeah, so we have ice cream
Yay!
to
We
eat.
have ice cream.
Okay, so now let's order. Hi.
Hi.
Hello, what flavor you want to eat?
I want to eat chocolate, please.
Okay,
Thank you.
so now I will do it for you.
Thank you.
And chocolate flavor. Okay, so this is your chocolate flavor,
And ice cream.
and this is my vanilla flavor. Yeah, so we all can eat ice cream.
Alright.
Okay, so see you next time.
Bye.